Once upon a sunny day, Sarah decided to visit the park. She grabbed her picnic basket and headed out. As she walked through the park gates, she saw families having picnics, children playing on the swings, and friends tossing a frisbee. Sarah found a nice spot under a shady tree and laid out her blanket. She unpacked her sandwiches, fruit, and a thermos of lemonade. As she enjoyed her meal, she noticed a friendly dog playing nearby. A little while later, Sarah heard someone playing guitar nearby. She followed the music and discovered a group of friends singing and strumming their guitars. They invited her to join them, and Sarah happily sang along to the familiar tunes. After singing for a while, Sarah decided to take a stroll around the park. She passed by a pond where ducks were swimming and quacking happily. She stopped to watch them for a moment before continuing on her walk. As the sun began to set, Sarah started to pack up her things. She felt relaxed and content after spending the day in the park. On her way home, she couldn't help but smile, grateful for the simple joys of a day spent outdoors. Throughout the story, key vocabulary and structures are repeated, allowing students to practice listening and speaking skills in a natural context. After reading the story, students can engage in discussions about their own experiences in the park or answer comprehension questions to test their understanding.
Hi there.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am. I'm going to visit my family in Chicago. How about you?
Oh, nice. I'm heading to New York for a business meeting. Do you know which gate your flight is departing from?
Yes, it's gate 15. What about yours?
Mine's at gate 12. Looks like we're heading in the same direction.
Yeah, seems like it. Well, safe travels.
You too. Have a great trip.